the most famous budgeting rule in the world, the 50-30-20 rule, is broken. For most people in 2025, it's outdated, unrealistic, and it's probably the real reason you failed at budgeting. We're told 50% on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% on savings. It sounds simple, but it fails. Why? Because with today's cost of living, 50% for needs is often impossible, and a measly 20% for savings feels uninspiring. It makes you feel like a failure. But what if there's a better way? In this video, I'm going to teach you the 30-30-30-10 rule, a modern system designed for real life to help you build wealth and enjoy the journey. Forget the old percentages. Here is the new blueprint. Your after-tax income is split into 4 simple categories. 30% for your foundation, 30% for your future, 30% for fun, and a magic 10% for flex. Let's break it down. First, 30% for your foundation. These are your absolute survival costs. Your rent or mortgage, your council tax, your utility bills, your basic groceries, and your transport to work. These are the non-negotiable costs to keep your life running. We're aiming to keep these core costs tight at just 30% of your take-home pay. Now here's the first big change. We are not leaving savings until last. We are tackling it second because it's that important. A full 30% of your income goes towards your future. This is your wealth building engine. This bucket is for paying down high interest debt, building your emergency fund, and investing for the long term in things like your SIPP or the stocks and shares ISA. A 30% savings rate is how you get rich, period. All right, quick pause for a reality check. What's the biggest reason a budget has failed for you in the past? Was it too restrictive, too complicated, or did an unexpected cost blow it up? Let me know in the comments. I read all of them. Next up, another massive 30% slice is for your fun. This is your guilt-free lifestyle fund. This is for the meals out, the weekend trips, your hobbies, that new pair of trainers, Netflix, and your morning coffee. This rule states that enjoying your life is just as important as saving for the future. Budgeting is not about deprivation, and having a huge dedicated fund for your wants removes the guilt from spending. And now, the final 10%. This is the secret sauce that makes the whole system work. This is your flex fund. The 50-30-20 rule is rigid and breaks the moment an unexpected cost appears. The 10% flex fund is designed for life's chaos. It can be for anything you want. An unexpected birthday gift, a course to upgrade your skills, a spontaneous weekend away. You can even use it to turbocharge your savings or pay down debt faster. This flexibility is the psychological release valve that prevents you from quitting your budget. It's the magic ingredient. So there it is. Foundation, future, fun, and flex. The 30-30-30-10 rule. It's a balanced system that allows you to live a fantastic life today while aggressively building wealth for tomorrow. It's not a prison, it's a plan for freedom. Now that you have a plan for your money, the biggest question is where to put that powerful 30% you're saving for your future. To help you, I've made a video on the I-tested 7 UK investment apps, the brutally honest results. It's the perfect next step. Click the video on the screen right now and let's put that money to work. I'll see you there.